Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest, easy meals you can take to family gatherings, cookouts, whatever. You cook it in a crock pot, but it's delicious and super easy to make. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's get cooking. Alright y'all, what we're making today is pulled beef, but you can do pulled pork if you want to use pork for it. I like beef. It's what I felt like having today. So start out with a nice roll lean cut of beef. This is a London broil, and I just chop up a half an onion, and we're gonna put her in the crock pot, set her to low, and let her cook for till you can shred the meat. Probably 6-7 hours, but yeah, so this is the start to it. We'll bring you back whenever we're ready to continue on. Alright y'all, this has been cooking for a couple hours. Oh, she's cooking up nicely. I did go ahead and add some this seasonal perfect seasoning stuff, just to give it a little bit more flavor. But yeah, she's cooking up nicely. So here in a little bit we'll get to mixing up our barbecue sauce that we're going to put over this, and then I'll show you guys what all goes into that, and hopefully here in another few hours we'll be having some pulled beef, barbecued pulled beef. So alright y'all, it's been a little longer while. Let's put our eyeballs on this roast here. Oh, she's getting good and tender. It's almost fork ready. We're getting closer to meal time here, so oh yeah. Woohoo. Alright. I'm actually gonna steal a little bit out of here. We're gonna have a little bite to eat because I'm getting hungry smelling this thing cooking. So alright, I'm gonna put the lid back on it. We're gonna cook her just a little bit longer, get a little more tender, a little bit more fork ready. Then we'll mix our barbecue sauce up and barbecue it, and we're ready to chow down. Alright y'all, I think this stuff's pretty well done, so let's give her another check here. Oh yeah, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that off. We'll get everything gathered up. We'll mix up the barbecue sauce to go in this, so hang on. Alright y'all, we're going to get this barbecue sauce mixed up, and I will put a list of the ingredients in the description down there. So start out with a cup and a half of your favorite ketchup. It's a half a cup. There's 1 cup. There's a cup and a half. Alright, got that there. Next thing we want is a 1/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Now, you can use whatever brown sugar you want, dark, light, doesn't matter. Just make sure it's a good 1/4 cup, packed 1/4 cup. So there's a 1/4 cup of that. 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Let's get this little stopper thing out of there. Alright, got that 1/4 cup of that in there. Now 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Actually, we're going to put the Worcestershire sauce in first. And that's 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire or wash your hair sauce. Alright, now we got 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Use your favorite brand, whatever you want. There's 1. There's 2. Alright. Now, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. You can adjust that to your liking. Whether you want, a whole teaspoon, a little stronger, a little light. Myself, I'm going to go just a hair heavy, because I like that smoky flavor. So 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, half teaspoon of salt, and again, this is up to you. Whatever you want to, if you want to cut down on the salt because of the Worcestershire sauce, that's fine and dandy. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. So we got the half teaspoon of that in there. And we're going to I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. It calls for a quarter, but I like the peppery, a little more peppery than normal, so. Alright, there's that. And our last ingredient is garlic powder. And that's a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Of course, I'm going to add a little extra because I like garlic. Alright. That's the best thing about my recipes. You can adjust them however you want. So, alright. Let me get this mixed up and we'll get the beef out and we'll get her mixed up. Alright, y'all, beans, we got that barbecue sauce all mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and pull my beef out of the crock pot here. And we're going to shred it up. And we'll get it all ready to go. Now the barbecue sauce I mixed up is way more than I'm going to need for this shredded beef here, pulled beef, whatever you want to call it. So get all the good little pieces out of the bottom there. All right, I think we got all the goodness out of there, most all the onions, everything. Now we just need to shred this, so let me grab a couple forks. Just need to shred that up. Now if you want, on that barbecue sauce, if you're not going to put it on hot food, if you're going to use it for grilling or whatever, you can put it on the stove and bring it to a simmer, and it will thicken up and all the flavors and everything will mingle really nice. So we just don't want to, I'm just shredding it enough here to make sure I don't have any really big chunks, because I'm going to make sandwiches out of this. So, and another thing too on that barbecue sauce, if you so desire, you can add a little hot sauce to it, or your favorite Creole seasoning, hot chili powder, give it a little bit of an extra bite, but some people don't like it, some people do. So, alright, bring the sauce over here. Well, you guys can't see what I'm doing here. Alright, there we go. Alright, got the sauce over here. See if I can get a few scoopfuls out here. Wipe off the side of my bowl. That's good. Give her a little toss here. Oh, the smell of that barbecue sauce, y'all. It's got me happy, happy, happy. I think we need just a little bit more of that barbecue sauce. Now you can keep that barbecue sauce probably a week in the fridge, so you can use it on other stuff. Now you got some chicken or pork or ribs or anything you want to do. Oh yeah, that's just about the right moisture content. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, I'm gonna steal a little bit. Oh, delicious. All right, y'all. Let me grab me some buns and stuff, and all right, y'all. Taste test. I got my bun here. We're gonna scoop some of this out of here. Get on that there sandwich. Ooh, look at that. That is amazing. All right, time to do a taste test. All right, y'all, there you have it. It's time for the taste test now. So, we got on the bun here. Good and tender. That barbecue sauce is awesome, y'all. Got the beverage of the day. Sprite. Lemonade Legacy. Ooh, that goes good with that. So, alright. There you have it, y'all. This is the barbecued beef. You can do the same thing with a pork roast. Just get something really lean. You can mix that barbecue sauce up, put it on your next barbecue on your chicken, your ribs, you know, doing pork chops, country ribs. That barbecue sauce is awesome. Like I said, I will leave a list of the ingredients for it down in the description box. So, hope you all enjoyed it. I did, and I believe if you did like it, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. You know, ring the bell, get all the notifications. You know, it doesn't cost y'all anything, but it does help me out, especially the thumbs up. Tells YouTube that you know, everybody's liking it, so they're gonna put it out to more people, and we'll get more subscribers. We might even be able to get some better meals. So, anyways, love y'all, and as always, bear appetit.